Are you looking for the best strap wrenches? In this video, we will break down the top 5 strap wrenches on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Craftsman 2-piece 16-inch rubber wrench set. The handle of the wrench is made in such a way that you will not feel uncomfortable while holding on to it for a long duration. Along with that, these straps are made with grade A rubber, meaning they will not break if too much pressure or force is exerted on them. With these wrenches, you will be able to reach very tight spots or pipes, which would be next to impossible with a metal wrench. In case you buy this set of strap wrenches, then you should be assured that the tool will do the job as perfectly as possible. As I have mentioned before, the rubber is of the best quality, and this is exactly why the friction from the strap will help you to twist and turn any object with ease. At number 2. 2PCS wrench set for oil filter. These wrenches are specifically good for performing tasks such as opening jars, working on pipes, and plumbing works. In this set, you will get strap wrenches of 2 different sizes. That makes it a very useful and handy product to have when it comes to tasks. The larger one can be used in order to grip and grab onto objects with a greater diameter, whereas you can use the smaller ones to get a hold of items with a smaller diameter. One of the many great features of this strap wrench is that it can be used for multiple works, like opening jars, lids, or even pipes. If you happen to be a mechanic, a plumber, woodworker, or even an electrician, you can make use of this tool for your profession. This means that investing in this tool is a great option for you. A very important aspect of wrenches like this one is its adjustability. The straps of the tool can be changed and fitted according to the item you need to get a hold of. The handle on this one has been designed in a way so that you do not feel uncomfortable holding on to it for a long period. At number 3. Titan Tools Handle Strap Wrench 21315 12-inch. Here is a lightweight tool that fulfills the expectation of regular wrenches. But this one will ensure that no matter the tightness of what you need to grip or loosen the surface of the object, Titan Tools Handle Strap Wrench 21315 12-inch features an aluminum I-beam handle that is remarkably lightweight, making for ease of use. It also features a tough woven polypropylene strap for providing a firm grip. Most straps of this type of wrench are adjustable, and this one is no different. When it comes to the effectiveness of this wrench, you can discern it easily from the capacity of the tube, which is 9-inch. This can be adjusted to any size of grip from 0 to 9 inches. You are going to love the grip this item offers. One important feature of the wrench that must be noted is that the straps can as well get a firm grip on irregular shapes as the normal ones, and find its way to hard-to-reach places. At number 4. BOA BO13010 Constrictor Aluminum Strap Wrench. The best thing about this BOA BO13010 Constrictor Aluminum Strap Wrench is its aluminum handle for the best durable tool you'd ever have. The handle featuring a soft rubberized grip, allowing users to have a firm yet comfortable hold of the tool. The overall size of the tool will perfectly fit in anyone's hand. You can grip, open, or twist apart any shape without suffering from hands fatigue. Made from a unique thick industrial strength rubber, the strap of this wrench is designed to withstand any hard object. It can tackle any strain to a maximum of 2,000 pounds of pressure. At number 5. Ridgid 31360 Model 5 Strap Wrenches. The Ridgid 31360 Model 5 strap wrench is an all-purpose strap wrench. If you have a tough time to loosen a stuck pipe, this all-in-one durable strap wrench will provide you with a firm grip to get the job done quickly. The 29/1/4 polyurethane-coated woven nylon strap will last longer than other models in our list. You can use this belt wrench for loosening or tightening a 5-inch pipe, and you can extend it up to a 7-inch diameter. You will like the extra long 18-inch handle that can provide you with excellent torque to remove a large oil filter easily.